What up, bro? What up, Jay? Yo, people.
Hi guys, and welcome to our channel. So we are live in Abo, Enugu State. Yes, we heard about the Igodo Cultural Festival going on and we said we must visit. So guys, if you are a lover of Igbo culture and heritage, make sure you watch this video to the end. I'm sure you are going to enjoy it. If you are new on our channel, please do well to click the subscribe button, turn on notification bell so anytime we upload videos like this, you get to see it. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. So guys, let's join in the fun.
Judy the MC now, but we can mad. Hey, order. Judy. One more Boda Abaka, off one. What the job with the best? Oh, big. What up, oh, big. Confused. Canada, no be the who is here. Chief Chilafia, I have more than one. Chief Chilafia, there's a decade. What's the Lord again? Chico, la do the day, Chico, la do the day.
So guys, thank you so much for watching. This is about 6 p.m. so we have to start heading back to Enugu main town. Yes, so we don't drive at night. We hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly subscribe to our channel, turn on notifications bell so when we upload videos like this you get to see it. We'll catch you in our next video. Bye.